Welcome to the West Central Kiosk. What to choose? Oh, she's got it. First, check out. Then put in your library card. Now enter your PIN. Take a look at what we have to offer. Show more. It's also wheelchair accessible. See that little screen? Now, make your selection. Hit checkout. And there you are. You've checked out an item. Want a receipt? Hit print receipt. And there you are. To return an item, simply hit return. Place it back in the conveyor belt under the screen. Return OK. Have a larger item? Use one of the bigger slots. Need to renew an item? Hit renew, enter your information, select the item, and hit next. Looks like you've renewed it. You're all set, friend. There it is. Hit done. Something not working? Ooh, frustrating. Please contact the library to get it fixed as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.